Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with my co-instructor. This is Leia. She is 10 years old. And we are working on arm strength and lower abdominal strength. And if you can come over here and get your knees on top of the ball, put your hands on the mat. Good luck to you. Now sometimes, there you go, walk them out. Walk out just a snitch further, that's right. And you walk, whoa. Walk your hands out, please, ma'am. All right, push out your legs straight. And I want you to bring them in slow, those legs. 1, 2, 3, and out. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, yep, make sure they go all the way out. Go on, 1, 2, 3, yep, and bring them in. 1, 2, 3, yep, and out. 1, 2, 3. And in 1, 2, 3, I like it. So this is activity work on upper body core strength. Sometimes I'll make this just a little easier by having you put your hands on a chair. Are you ready? All right, get your knees up on there. Get your knees up on top. All right. Push them out.
Oh, that's hard.
Aha! Out you go. Push those legs out straight. Push those legs out straight. Stay up tall in your arms. Stay up. What happened? Stay up tall in your arms. All right. Bring those legs in. And push them out. All the way out. All the way. All the way. Pull them up. And all the way out. Bring them up. And all the way out. I love it. Great core work. You can see as she goes out, it's really kind of hard to control that ball to keep it from sliding off from one side to the other. That was beautiful work. I hope this is helpful as a way to work on arm strength and core work, especially lower abs. I hope this is helpful, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.
Bye.
Bye-bye. If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.